back. I'm out here at the sawmill, and one thing every owner of a sawmill has in common is, what do you do with your excess slabs or cutoffs from your mill? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm gonna come up with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create some kind of cribbing, just make X's and do 3 or 4 of those and tie them together with a 2x4 or a 2x6, and that way I can lay my slabs on this cribbing and then go right through with my chainsaw. So what I think I'm gonna do is, I have 2 sets that are about 42 inches long, and I've got one that I can make 36 inch long. I'm gonna make my 42s first, and then maybe make a set of 36s. So I'm just going to try 2 cross beams. I'm going to put a 5-foot, 2-inch thick slab here that I made to hold it together. So we'll see how it comes together. So I'm just trying to use what I have laying around. So these cross members, they were, I think, maple and cherry. So they're about 5 inches diameters, 42 inches long. So I spaced this out about 5 feet. I'm using 3-inch deck screws for this to hold my cross members on. All done. That second brace really tightened it up. I think what I will do is add another 3rd section here. That way it'll be approximately 10 feet long. But I like to cut my cutoffs about 16 or 18 inches long, so that way I can stack them in my IBC totes, as you can see over there. So you'll see firsthand how I take my Stihl MS-271 chainsaw and buck up a bunch of slabs so I can put them in the crate. So I got my 8x8 16-foot tie plate done. This is all the waste I got off one log, and I knew that this rig would get filled up very quick, and I'm one that likes to cut up as I go. But with something this large, and it wasn't very straight, so I wasn't going to get a lot of excess lumber off the 8x8, so I was just coming through and trying to straighten it to get 8x8 as best as possible. And this is all going to be waste, but it's not really waste for me. It's going to be fuel for my fire in the outdoor wood burner for the winter time this year. Okay, after using it for the first time, you saw there that I had some boards slide off. So I may want to adapt this a little bit. I might put like a small thin 2x4 across the bottom here. Something maybe even in the middle cross beam this way, or just do a third cross member there. But that worked really, really well. And you can see all the cutoffs I got. Before I was laying them like this on the ground here on some boards and cutting them up that way. I thought it would be better to make something like this. So far the slab cutter crib works very, very well. Got half this IBC tote full of cutoffs. Now what I'll do with these are gonna have to wait a year to season. I have a central boiler classic edge 555, and those need to burn seasoned wood. So I've got a bunch of these from last summer that I'll be burning. But what I do is I burn a lot of these slabs that are softwood either in the fall with a little bit of hardwood, or even in the winter I'll mix in. I'll do a layer of hardwood, then a layer of slabs, and a layer of hardwood. So they get used up pretty quick. They don't last long, but it'll be good fuel for the fire. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more sawmill content. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And give me a like. And I will see you on the next one.